Namaste dosto. Welcome back to our trading education series. Yesterday we learned how to use charting software, but today we are gonna go one step further. I will show you how to create your own intraday trading charting strategy. We will learn how to build our own strategy today. And also we will learn how this own strategy will convert into our automated calls, and these calls will how it will go to our demat account. So let's get started. Log into charting.com and there you will see this screener. Click on the screener. You will get options like create your own scan. Click on that. You will get this beautiful page of charting.com/screener. Now as we are living in the era of AI, of course we will also use the facility of charting AI tool, which is called magic filter here. As we all know that we can always write a very plain simple English when we have to create the strategy. So आज की strategy जो है वो बहुत ही simple है. Today we will learn a very simple breakout strategy. इस ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रैटेजी में हम सभी लोगों को RSI के बारे में मालूम है, हमको VWAP के बारे में मालूम है और हमको वॉल्यूम के बारे में मालूम है. तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू गिव अ वेरी लिटिल इंस्ट्रक्शन टू चार्टिंग AI कि create my breakout strategy where my current candle RSI crossing above 50, current candle close crossing above VWAP, volume greater than average volume. मतलब हम चाहते हैं कि भाई मेरा जो भी स्ट्रैटेजी है ब्रेकआउट जिसको हम बोल रहे हैं, वो मेरा कैंडल जो है वो RSI 50 से ऊपर होना चाहिए, VWAP लाइन के ऊपर मेरी कैंडल क्रॉस होना चाहिए, और जो भी मैं कैंडल को यूज़ कर रहा हूँ उसमें वॉल्यूम होना चाहिए एवरेज वॉल्यूम से ज़्यादा, ताकि मैं किसी भी प्रकार के फेक ब्रेकआउट में ना फंसूँ. तो लेट्स गिव दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड जस्ट प्रेस दिस जनरेट बटन एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट इट गिव्स टू मी. Beautiful. Now if you can see, it has given me a very nice sweet code that in case if you run this thing in charting, you will just run this process and wait, and we can see that we have not got any calls here. That means at this particular time at 2:05 PM 2:05 पर अभी ये कोई भी कंडीशन फिल नहीं कर रही है. So let's say greater than 50 VWAP 0. ठीक है, अब हम इसको मॉडिफाई करते हैं निफ्टी 100 में. क्या हमको मिलता है? नो. सो वी जस्ट ट्राई टू डिस्कनेक्ट और वी जस्ट ट्राई टू क्लोज दिस टॉगल ऑफ 1 and just see whether it is giving me something. Yes, it is giving me. That means in case if I don't use this volume, because right now it is 205, volume is very important. Right now we are just closing this volume option and then we see whether we are getting some scans or not. Yes, it has given me a lot of scans. So now once this scan has come, let's see how I will make this strategy excluding the volume part and how I will convert into a live trading call, which is buy. So let's say I will just first I have to save this scan. So I will just save it and I'll put the name breakout. What do you want? RSI, VWAP, you want to buy, and this is MIS. Yesterday I have made this, I have already told why we write buy and why we write MIS, because we want that any time this kind of scanner gives me any script, that script should get the order of buy and it should be intraday. I don't want to carry forward any position for next day. So description I will remain, I'll give the same breakout strategy. Breakout strategy, it is for our use only. Breakout strategy learning part 1. Okay, so let's make it private because this is for us. So we will just save this and let's see what it's gonna show. So once you see it is showing breakout strategy underscore VWAP underscore buy MIS, that means fine, absolutely fine, that we have made our strategy and we have also saved it. Now the best part is like whenever this will give us any new script, it should be converted into a live call. That means now our step number 2 is we want that this scanner, whenever it scans and gives us any scan stock, it should convert it into a live trading call. So for that, what we do, we will just create the alert here. Now for this alert, we required the help of Algologic software. That means the software which I have already told you, this Algologic software, it will act as a bridge between the Chartink and between your trading account. So it will act as a bridge. That means its work is to take all the scan calls, that means all the scan scripts, and convert them a live trading call for you, and it should place those live trading calls in your demat account, that means in your trading account. So it is a very simple task of Algologic. So what I need here, I will just put this alert name is already mentioned here, very fine. I want that anytime every alert should, every single 1 minute, when please, I'm giving instruction to Charting that please check every single minute what all alerts or what all time, whenever you scan the Charting, every single minute you give me the notification or give me the scan scripts. I want continue, I don't want this thing to be email, I want on the desktop, and I want unique. Make sure this, you here you have options like duplicate and unique. We will put unique. What do you mean by unique? See, imagine if you are getting this Godrej consumer products, and next minute, that means we have put after 1 minute, please give me a new alert. So what if like this Godrej is already there and it will give you Godrej again, so it will be a duplicate call. Of course nobody wants the 2 duplicate calls in the trading account. So what we want only unique calls. That means after Godrej, if any new call has come, Mahindra & Mahindra or Torrent Pharma or any other thing, so just give me a new call only, don't give me duplicate calls. Now most important thing is webhook URL. This webhook URL you will get only from the Algologic. So whenever you are developing anything, you require Algologic help to get you this webhook URL. And we, when anyway, in case you are taking our classes, so all the students will get their respective webhook URL, so that they can test their strategies. So I will just copy my webhook URL here, copy and then paste it. That's it, my work is done. I will just do a save alert. Now I will go to my dashboard here and I will wait for the call. Let's go back and run the scan and see in case if we are getting any alerts. So I will just wait here, because every minute I have put the alert. That means we have chosen the condition every minute. Whenever the Charting will scan, and if it fulfills the condition what we have made today, breakout strategy, it should give me the scan script here. So I will wait and watch. So meanwhile, we will also understand that this particular dashboard what you will get from Algologic, it is your dashboard. That means whatever strategy we will make, we will learn and make. So all this process will go together. That means we will learn together how to build, how to learn the making of strategies. Wow, wonderful. See, so now you have got 2 calls, IRCTC and you have got HDFC Life. What it gonna do now, please see. Now there will, whenever we will make any strategy, anytime you will get n number of calls. It's like this. But this Algologic is also having its internal AI working inside. It will choose out of many calls, it will choose the best possible call according to its own AI setup, and it will throw only 2 calls at a time. That means if there are 50 calls also, if Charting is scanning, it will not throw all the 50 calls. It will choose only 2 best calls for you and it will throw here. And after next minute, if it is scanning any further new, it will give you another next 2 only. So at a time you will have only 2 calls. So now let's see, this particular 2 calls has come in front of you. These 2 calls have come in front of you, and these calls, whether it has gone to my trading account or not. So let's verify that. I have already logged in my Angel One. I will just click. Let's see. I'll just click here. Oh, very fine. Now see, I have got IRCTC and it got rejected here. Let's see the timing. So I guess it is 2/11/07, 22nd August. Let's go back and check the Algologic timing. 2/11/07. That means exactly at the same time when the charting has given us the scanned script. This Algologic has performed lot of work. It has created the script, it has given you a buy type order, it has also made you understand that how many quantity you have to buy. 345, it has done the calculation. I will teach you how this quantity has come. Entry price it will show 724.55, and let's see what price it has come. 724.55 only it has come. Placed order, see. So it verifies that Algologic takes the same data set or same data which any broker takes, that means from the NSE only. Now it is showing the target and SL. The major thing is like how it is taking this target and SL. Basically it is the AI model of this Algologic, which considers that any particular script can have a or we can capture the movement of 1% in a single day, and simultaneously if you're trying to capture the 1%, that means the stop loss should be lesser than a 1%, that means 0.85 to 0.80. तो ये विन विन सिचुएशन रहती है. तो ज़्यादातर इंट्राडे के अंदर में 1% का मूवमेंट को कैप्चर करने की कोशिश की जाती है. इन केस इफ दिस एनी पर्टिकुलर कॉल डज नॉट गेट क्लोज विद द टारगेट और SL, then what we can do, you can always, there are two ways or two steps or two ways you can have this thing done. One is like, in case target never happens before the market close or stop loss never happens before the market close, it will automatically get square off because we have already chosen MIS. That means broker side, our position will get disconnected. That means it will be squared off. So no need to worry about that. But in case if the call is coming and it is not going to a target, but we see that no, it is giving me enough handsome amount of profit, so I want to book it, you can always go to your Angel One account and you can always close that order. You can always modify the order and you can book the profit, early profit. That means all the control, actually all the control you have